Hi guys, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. Today we're in the kitchen because I am going to go through and clean out the junk drawers. I have two of them and they're both really out of control. The dogs are very excited to be involved. As soon as they hear me talking to the camera, they always come running. But anyway, we're going to tackle that today. I really do not want to do it, but I'm gonna do it because I want to be able to have this to share with you guys on Monday morning. And also it's just something that needs to be done. And I have not cleaned out these drawers in probably a few years now. So it definitely needs to be gone through. Hopefully it's not going to be as bad as I think it is because I don't have very much time right now to get it done. So let me show you guys what it looks like and let's just get right to it. Okay, so this is the drawer above our garbage can. And you can see I have like all of these little compartments that I keep things in, but nothing like really makes sense anymore. So I just kind of need to take everything out, and I probably could get rid of some old stuff, and I don't even know. There's a lot of garbage just thrown in here. So this definitely needs to be gone through. And then we have all of these drawers here, but this top drawer is also what I would consider to be a junk drawer. Notepads, this is the tape for my label machine, which I don't even know where my label machine is right now. Just a lot of random stuff. I don't even know. Everyone just kind of throws things in these drawers and forgets about it. So yeah, I'm going to go through that as well. I think I'm just going to take out all of the cubbies. This one has one really big wooden compartment that has like all of these little areas to store things in, which is very helpful when you do it appropriately, but at this point it just doesn't make any sense at all. So I'm gonna get started and go through and hopefully get rid of a lot of this stuff. Can I just tell you, every time I take on a project, especially when I'm feeling rushed, I hurt myself. And it's always something really stupid and random, and there's no way to avoid it, and you don't even see it coming. But I was wiping out that drawer that you just saw me wiping out, and there was a long piece of, I think it was like, you know, the inserts that you put into pencils, and there was a long one in the corner, and as I was wiping, it somehow shoved up into underneath my nail and went down underneath my nail, and it was like stuck in there, and I had to pull it out, like a really long splinter of a piece of pencil that went way down into my nail, and now it's throbbing. But I am just so accident prone, and I do these stupid random things that I regret. Like the time when I like cut off half my finger when I was putting the dogs in the car back when I was doing, I think it was Vlogtober or Vlogmas, I don't even remember. Anyway, ow, it hurts right now, but I'm gonna soldier on and get the job done. But my finger is throbbing. Okay, so here is the final reveal. On this side, we just have pens and pencils and a sharpener and some erasers. And then back here, we have batteries. This is all of our extra keys. And then just some paper for taking down phone numbers, notes, things like that. And then thumbtacks, magnets, including the little chip clips that we have. So that is everything in this drawer. And over here, you can see we also have way less. Back here, I have nail files, nail clippers, tweezers, things like that. And then chair pads, some random tools some more pens and pencils, and then this is a tie to go stick, some crazy glue, and this is actually a lighter. I have to charge it up, but it lights things like birthday candles and stuff, so I like to keep that here in the kitchen. And then we have packing tape and then some regular tape, and that is everything in this drawer. So I threw out a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so I am so glad that is done with. It really didn't take much time at all, and it's been bothering me forever. So I am sure if you find just one drawer in your house that has been driving you crazy and you take the time to go through it today, it will likely only take you half the amount of time or less than you anticipate. So definitely give it a try. Hopefully this motivated you to just take care of something in your house today. I really was not wanting to do it. I have so many other things going on right now, but I am really glad that I did, because there was just so much actual garbage in those drawers that just didn't even need to be there. So I was glad that I took the time to get it done. All right, that's gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys are all off to a great week. Please like this video if you've been enjoying my January Motivational Mondays. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you all really soon. Bye.